Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between rolling green hills, there stood an ancient willow tree at the edge of the forest. The villagers often whispered about the tree, saying it was enchanted, but no one truly knew its secret. Young Ella, an orphaned girl with a heart full of curiosity, loved spending her afternoons beneath the tree. She often spoke to it, imagining it could hear her dreams and worries. One day, as she leaned against its trunk, she noticed a shimmering light emanating from a hollow in its bark. "Hello. Is someone there?" Ella asked, peering into the hollow. To her astonishment, a tiny figure emerged, a fairy with wings as delicate as morning dew and a dress that sparkled like starlight. "Thank you for always talking to me," said the fairy, her voice like a melody. "I am Lyra, the guardian of this tree." Few humans take the time to notice magic anymore. Ella gasped. "Magic? Does that mean you can grant wishes?" Lyra smiled. "Only to those with kind hearts." "What is it you wish for, Ella?" Ella thought for a moment. She could have asked for riches, beauty, or fame, but instead, she said, "I wish for the people in my village to never go hungry again." Lyra's wings fluttered with delight. "A selfless wish is the most powerful kind. For your kindness, I grant you this gift. The willow will bear fruit every season, and its branches will protect the village from storms." True to the fairy's word, the tree's branches grew heavy with golden fruits that never spoiled. The villagers, amazed by the miracle, gathered to share the bounty, and the once hungry village thrived. Ella became the village's beloved caretaker, and every time she visited the willow, she heard Lyra's laughter in the rustling leaves. Though she never asked for anything more, her life was filled with joy and friendship. And so, the enchanted willow tree stood for centuries, a testament to the power of kindness and the magic hidden in the most unexpected places.